guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable safe login info on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go down here, you just click on this sign here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on account. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to save login info here. Then you click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here save login info enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.